No. You say you are not strong enough. True, our bodies are not built to lift heavy loads like cars. Fortunately, our brains are smart enough to harness the power of fluids like water and oil to create hydraulic lifts. By pushing a button on a hydraulic lift, a mechanic can easily raise a car with one finger. Lifts can also be used to raise lots of other heavy loads, even such massive things as steel girders to construct a skyscraper. In this project, you will get a first-hand look at the power of a hydraulic system by building your own working model of a lift. So, the objective of this experiment is to apply the principles of hydraulics in building a working model of a hydraulic lift.
The material that we use in our project is 2 cups with 1 cup is 4 newtons force and the second cup has 5 newton force. And in our model, we use 2 1/4 illustration board and we cut it into 1/8 illustration board. The first 2 1/8 illustration board was made into an open box, and the third 1/8 illustration board was used as support, and you see the parabola shape. And also is the syringe, 2 syringe. The first syringe was 10 mm and the second was 20 mm. And for the last 1/8 illustration board, this was made into 2 square, used as a press button of the syringe. And here is also where we put our 2 cups, 2 force cups for the hydraulic system.
Hydraulics is the study of liquids and their mechanical properties. For instance, how they move, resist movement, act when subject to pressure, and so forth. In engineering, one application of hydraulics is using liquids like water and oil to move things, instead of, say, air. One important reason is that a liquid is incompressible, which means that if you press on it, cannot change its volume. For example, if you have a cup filled with marshmallows, you can fit even more marshmallows into the cup by compressing the marshmallows together. But if the glass is full of water, there is no way you can fit more water into the cup, no matter how hard you squeeze. Since liquid is incompressible, applying a force, for example, a push or a pull, one end of a hydraulic system transmits the force through the liquid to the other end.
What we're expecting to happen is that if I put this 4 Newton of force to this end of the system, the force will travel from the first syringe to the hose to the end of the system. That will make a lift of this 5 Newton force. Okay, come, let's test it. Now, the 5 Newton of force is slowly lifting by this 4 Newton of force. It completely demonstrates the principle of hydraulics.